Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying account details and preparing a clean MP3 or M4A audio file. Make sure it meets Roblox length and copyright rules. Once done, open Create, choose Audio and upload the file. Watch the processing bar until complete. After processing, Roblox shows an asset ID. Copy that number now because you'll use it to reference the song in a game or the library. Be ready to adjust permissions in the next step to make the song public. You next open the audio's item page and inspect the permission settings. Roblox sometimes defaults to restricted visibility. Change visibility to everyone or assign it to your group so others can access the ID. This is why you copied the asset ID earlier. After changing settings, publish or save those changes, then open Roblox Studio, insert a sound instance, paste the asset ID, and play it to confirm accessibility. If Studio plays the file, the ID is effectively public and ready to share. Finally, you share the asset ID or add the sound to your game's assets so players can use it. Remember to test from a separate account to confirm public access. Once done, make sure the file plays consistently across devices and that group roles don't block it. If you encounter a block or restricted status, check copyright claims, re-upload a compliant file, and reapply permissions. If problems persist, contact Roblox support with the asset ID for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.